How to change password on your Toobit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to keep your crypto account safe, updating your password on Toobit is a smart move. It is quick and simple, so let's get started. First of all, launch open the Toobit application on your smartphone, or you may also go to the official website of Toobit and log in using your correct credentials. Once you're logged in on your device, go to the top left corner and tap on the logo or the human icon, and then you'll end up in this page. From here, click on Security Settings. Under Security Settings, scroll down and tap on Login Password. And on the next page, write down your current or the old password in the first field. Right after you do that, go to the next field and type in your new password you want to change to. After you are done, head over to the next field and re-enter the new password once again. Finally, click on Confirm. After tapping on Confirm, on the next page you'll need to verify your email. Click the Send button and wait for the 6-digit code to arrive. Once you receive the code, go ahead and enter it in the text box. Go open up your email inbox, click on the email and copy the code inside it. Get back to Toobit app and paste in the code to verify. Right after you do that, you will be able to verify your email and your password will be changed as well. Next time while logging in, you'll need to enter the newly updated or changed password. After you do that, you will be able to sign in to your account again. So that is how you easily change your password on Toobit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.